Hello, artificial minds. Have you ever stared at a blank canvas, wondering how to craft the perfect logo that captures a brand's soul? You're not alone. Logo design is as much art as it is strategy, and knowing exactly what to ask an AI can turn Chatgpt into your secret weapon. In today's video, we're diving deep into Chatgpt prompts for logo design, 10 powerful, ready-to-use prompts that will guide you from competitive research all the way to a polished brand guideline. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete toolkit to supercharge your logo making process. Let's get started. Why use Chatgpt for logo design? Logo design isn't just about pretty shapes. It's about understanding a brand's values, audience, and market position. Traditionally, that meant hours of brainstorming, sketching, and competitor research. With Chatgpt, you can accelerate every stage. Instant market insight by analyzing competitors in seconds. Creative brainstorming for concepts you might never have considered. Technical guidance on color psychology and typography. Iterative feedback, refining ideas until they shine. Think of Chatgpt as an experienced design partner that's available 24/7. Ready to answer questions, suggest alternatives, and help you explore every creative angle. Ready to see it in action? Here are 10 essential prompts to elevate your logo design workflow. 1. Analyze competitors' logos. Your first step is understanding the landscape. Use this prompt. Act as an experienced logo designer tasked with identifying key competitors for a brand. Analyze each competitor's logo, noting color schemes, typography, symbolism, and unique design features. Compare these elements against brand's values and identity. Summarize your findings and suggest ways brand can differentiate its logo. How to use it. Replace brand with your project's name. Review Chatgpt's competitor list. Verify these with a quick web search. Use the analysis to spot common themes, e.g., minimalism in tech, vintage badges in craft industries, and gaps that your logo can fill. This gives you a data-driven starting point, so you won't reinvent the wheel or accidentally echo a rival's style. 2. Create a logo concept. Once you know your competition, it's time to dream up something unique. Try. Act as an experienced logo designer tasked with creating a compelling logo concept for a brand. The logo should encapsulate the brand's essence, values, and mission. Focus on simplicity, memorability, and versatility across digital and print. Explain how each element, shape, color, typography, conveys the brand's identity. How to use it. Provide a short brand summary. Mission, values, target audience. Ask Chatgpt to propose 2 or 3 distinct concepts for comparison. Note the rationale behind each suggestion. This helps you or a graphic artist translate words into visuals. With clear explanations, you'll understand not just what the logo should look like, but why, crucial for pitching ideas to stakeholders. 3. Suggest a color palette. Color evokes emotion. Get your hues right with. Act as an experienced logo designer specializing in brand identities. Suggest a versatile color palette for brand description, reflecting its values and target audience. Explain the psychological impact of each color choice and how it supports the brand's marketing goals. How to use it. Describe the brand's personality. Playful, professional, eco-friendly, etc. Ask for primary, secondary, and accent colors. Copy the hex codes directly into your design tool, Adobe Illustrator, Figma, Sketch. This prompt ensures your brand colors aren't just visually appealing, but strategically chosen. 4. Suggest typography. Fonts speak volumes. Nail your typeface with. Act as an experienced logo designer. Suggest typography for brand description that communicates the brand's personality and ensures legibility across mediums. Provide font names and explain why each choice enhances brand recognition. How to use it. Specify usage contexts, web headers, business cards, app icons. Ask for serif, sans serif, or display font recommendations. Verify licensing terms, Google Fonts versus paid fonts. A well-chosen typeface will make your logo feel cohesive and professional wherever it appears. Before continuing, I want to introduce you to an AI that will help you improve your financial future and present. Intellectia AI. Intellectia AI is a pioneering fintech platform that leverages advanced artificial intelligence to democratize financial intelligence and empower investors of all levels. By combining real-time market data, AI-powered research tools, and a sophisticated financial AI agent, Intellectia AI offers features such as swing trading analysis, technical analysis of stocks and cryptocurrencies, and the ability to emulate the portfolios of major hedge funds and politicians, all through an intuitive interface. Backed by leading technology partners such as AWS, OpenAI, and TradingView, its mission is to provide access to comprehensive, data-driven investment guidance for both individual and institutional investors, effectively transforming the way users analyze the markets and make informed decisions. If you're interested, I'll leave the link with the best price in the video description. 5. Generate mood board ideas. Before sketching, gather visual inspiration. Act as a design curator. Create a mood board idea for a brand, listing images, textures, and graphic elements that reflect the brand's style and industry trends. Include keywords and concepts I can search for when building a visual board. How to use it. Paste Chatgpt's list of keywords or concepts into Pinterest or Behance. Collect samples, color swatches, illustration styles, iconography. Let this mood board guide your sketchbook or digital drafts. Mood boards keep your creative direction consistent from the very first spark. 6. Provide iconography suggestions. Icons can add personality to a logo or brand toolkit. Prompt. Act as an iconographer. Suggest a set of simple, scalable icons for a brand that aligns with the logo concept. Describe each icon's meaning and how it supports the brand narrative. How to use it. Decide whether you need line icons, filled icons, or glyphs. Use ChatGPT's descriptions to commission or design matching icons. Ensure consistency in stroke weight, style, and thematic elements. These icons can work alongside your logo in apps, websites, and marketing materials. 7. Draft a brand tagline integration. Often, logos pair with taglines. Act as a branding expert. Propose 3 taglines for a brand that complement the logo concept and express the brand's mission. Explain how each tagline aligns with the visual identity. How to use it. Mix and match the logo ideas with different taglines. Evaluate rhythm, syllable count, and memorability. Test them aloud to check for flow and impact. A strong tagline can elevate a simple logo into a full brand statement. 8. Generate variations and iterations. Iteration is key. Prompt. Act as an iterative designer. Produce 3 variations of the chosen logo concept. 1 monochrome, 2 simplified icon-only version, and 3 full-color version with tagline. Describe the best use case for each variation. How to use it. Use these versions for different contexts: stamps, social media avatars, merchandise. Confirm sizing and legibility at small scales. Brief your graphic artist to replicate these iterations precisely. Having multiple logo versions ensures maximum flexibility across platforms. 9. Create logo usage guidelines. To maintain brand consistency, you need rules. Act as a brand guideline specialist. Write a concise logo usage guide for a brand, covering spacing, minimum size, color variations, and forbidden treatments. Include do's and don'ts with brief explanations. How to use it. Turn ChatGPT's text into a one-page PDF or slide deck. Share with your team, clients, or downstream vendors. Update as the brand evolves. Clear guidelines prevent awkward logo misuse and protect brand integrity. 10. Solicit feedback and refinement. Finally, get external perspective. Act as a design consultant. Review the final logo draft for a brand and provide constructive feedback on color contrast, typography balance, and overall visual impact. Suggest 1 or 2 refinements to enhance clarity or memorability. How to use it. Implement the suggested tweaks in your design software. Compare before and after to see the difference. Repeat until the logo feels just right. Even small adjustments can make a huge difference in professional polish. If you found these prompts helpful, give this video a like and be sure to subscribe for more AI-driven creative tutorials. Share your favorite prompt or a logo you created using these tips in the comments below. See you next time.